To replace the ABS wheel speed sensors, you're going to need to begin by first safely raising and supporting the vehicle and removing your wheels. For additional assistance with those tasks, please follow the link provided at the end of this video. Working behind the front strut on the body of the car, release the two locking tabs that hold the connector housing closed and open the cover. Remove the gray connector. The black one is for the brake pad wear sensor. Press on the locking tab at the bottom of the connector and pull the connector apart. Get a firm grip on the wheel speed sensor harness and pull it out of the bracket that mounts it to the strut. Working on the inside of the spindle, you see the wheel speed sensor, green arrow, and the two mounting 5mm screws, yellow arrows. You do not have to take the wheel or brake caliper off, but it does give you a lot more room. Remove the two 5mm mounting screws that hold on the sensor. Grab the sensor with a pair of pliers and twist the sensor to loosen the corrosion. As you're twisting the sensor, pull it away from the spindle in the direction of the blue arrow. Clean the hole where the sensor mounts, green arrow, and apply a little moly coat or equivalent in the hole to prevent the sensor from seizing in there in the future. Installation is the reverse of removal. Moving to the rear axle, this photo illustrates the front of the rear spindle inside the wheel well at the ABS wheel speed sensor, green arrow. It's tucked behind the parking brake plate of the brake system, so it's difficult to see. Remove the single 5mm Allen head fastener that mounts the wheel speed sensor. Grab the sensor with pliers or pry it out with a screwdriver. If it's corroded, it can be difficult to get out of there. Remove the wheel speed sensor harness out of the two harness mounting clips, green arrows. Remember how it is routed for installation. Remove the 10mm plastic nut in the wheel well behind the rear strut, already removed in this image. This photo illustrates the car towards the back of the wheel well by the exhaust. Pull out the center pin of the retaining clip, green arrow, and pull out the whole clip. Pull the inner wheel well housing out of the way to access the connector housing. Remove the harness from the bracket, green arrow, that holds it behind the inner fender cover. The connector housing was already missing on this car. Use the same procedure as opening the front cover. Press the locking tab on the top of the connector and separate the connector. You now have the entire sensor removed. Clean the mounting area around the spindle and install it with a thin coat of moly coat long-term 2 or similar grease. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and check out another video in this series.